Easy Storage Technologies Company Limited was established in 2002, specializes in digital audio and video surveillance product development, production, sale and service of high-tech products. Easy Storage is one of the China's security industry leading companies with independent intellectual property rights of high-tech company products and software. The company has a team of experienced R&D engineers and experienced marketing and management personnel. Easy Storage has the advantage of executive management with visionary leadership, backed by superior development engineering technologies. Led by the wisdom of the past and foresight of the future, Easy Storage has been focusing attention on new products, new technology innovation, in order to meet market demand. Have launched 6 mobile video-based hard disk recorders, 3 generations of body-worn cameras. All products protected under independent intellectual property rights, and have passed the European CE certification and the US FCC certification. With several different series of video solutions, the product lines offer diversified products and meets the different needs of users. These products are widely used in law enforcement, transportation, intelligence community, and many other market applications. Our products have been exported to the United States, Europe, Russia, Australia, and other dozens of countries and regions. Integrity, innovation, and service is the company motto of Easy Storage. Will be our long-term business philosophy. We will, as always, provide customers with quality products, backed up by excellent service.